Abusia for me mama kwa bashonko eba to my GH. Mumi abana na ama owusu ni na dane dano ensema ekoba ewo ya maimu enam di meja se ya me to dwa echire mu kire ahwefo ene etefo se na mo nso mo betimi enye bi. Na akwese afi 2020 die say dance asore ama na sesa ebe ni padodo na de pa because afi we enyama ba enyama abetodwa nyama ehintan adane di wo afi we mu pa de say ye do 31st night na me ye adum akra ye sonsom akra ye honam akra ye ankasa ye mu ade akodu 31st night out mu say aye nyum ewu se nkofo bon enye asem ketwa na ni nya ne say eye expose as say ade the coronavirus akabo ma say na me from emu a be obefe bia say nya asofo asem ne ka eye coronavirus nkomo ne etwen eno ena eye wosofo bi ehu ne say eye opportunity so ono so de be gini din opportunity so ono so ebe be abonten abeka nsem se na be ya ono so betimi aye famous na te say engofo abonidin aba na so eye so abeji akwantre wona so for ya meka na asem eye nipa bi o efe no prophet Elisha Malope na prophet Elisha Malope oba abonten no ensem o de betu dwa no na efa eye APC Anointed Palace Chapel so for penny or no Reverend Obofour ne nyama woye ewo sumase edikra na sorry emu na wo keka no prophet Elisha Malope yo be kan say Reverend Obofour de ye kan no apemfo nyama oba wu wi a fie kire ba no enu ne naduane ada ne dad wodi say be yo betimi enya tumi no woni a doctors for wo man mu ena te say wo ma kọ adwen kromo na te omo ye kana na wo sumase na wo ba wo pe echira de no matam de akoma nte no so betimi edi ne wenya eye honhoma hoden enkola ya wo mfofo ni ya no so no si o ye tese Ghana ha ebi ayera wa ha ye fa so bo no embo eye Reverend Obofour de sa so wono ena edi sa esumase jumade no na ensem wo de beto Ghana for esomu he say se ade so ye tese eye ono be Kenya pon MB for Central Ascent constituency wono so ka asofo nsem asofo din awowo bon Reverend Obofour ya din abem am yakasa mpa wodi esumase djuma ibi wona asofo djuma mu na obi foforo from nowhere aba out no so be kan say when Ghana ye betumi age atum because ye say atem de nipa bako kan say dance eni ho a eni musa ni to say obi aba aponte abedi ho dance say no kro no so nim say fa no ho a eni eni tum na wei eni was of openi awoda Anointed Palace Chapel Reverend Obofour tin say was we dey da bi Martin too much. We dey me man nye one of those things. Me man sa papa we on fa ne hundi emeka santia me enkokwa. Ho na wote asem wanka wansem bebre. En wo fe na lawyer for say da bi asem we dey wo mu ni ekire pa fa nkokot. Na wo mutimi enti na man because dey bi ada en no nipa bako pa we si na safo a wo ere ewo busua a wo hwom dey bi ada kofo de ni din ebe ya atechemu aboni din edi body atag no da bi nye dey bi ada na kofo benya fa hundi aye ne sana so wa ye din for far too longer won hwe say won mekoso ase ni din to e die wo be sorry etia because won kwakọ oka na sem ko wonu be bi a wo fi baaye wonim ni gina bie de gina so mpa e manika ensem a wo ka nti Reverend Obofour ehye lawyers for so wo mu ndi ensem no echiman na wo mu di echire ne kopie mu e wo sunyane court na honum ena eye judge waji na konya atase wo di asem no wo frɛ eye prophet Malope say ansem na wo bekati eye Reverend Obofour no won fa ehwo adansidie emmetodwa se bebi e wokoya ohun se Reverend Obofour waje ye plate esi nanim a wo ba awode nechi ade oba awo nechi ade eda so ade se wo twetwa no enketekete di hye nanum no won fa ohun eye evidence embra ebie so no doctor for hospitals are Reverend Obofour ekoho enu omo sa contract se wo beje wo ba wo echie tesechi ade no wo beje no de didi no won ko ho enko kire na tese won cheche be bia ohun sanya mania na ebe adanside edama na asem a wo kananti won nyina bibia so na wo kaso a ene na aban emra no ebedi ni pa na ese abrante no yede ni gina court enim ni ebisem sana no sem no utumu se do ka ne se o menim hu man sheda na menim se na me popularity fame tutumu se asem no kan no no woni gina so bia asem no kan no na enim wo be bia wonim hwe fa na se obi aba ya no be ka obi wan sem bone na wo de nya ne din enu penti eno no so hu se sa brewe opportunity kese a ono so betu de nya ne din jawa ya so wa ya so foketo a wa chena so ya se de de uji udin se o so fo afemu a benya member so asori o metua offerings e de amount na wo so etimi ade wo nti enu nti ene ma no tu sana mo no efa ye Reverend Obofour na say Reverend Obofour gina ho say so wonim na mpa de enya asem edamu na kasa ensem na jaja waji na dwa wodi asem kasa dabi abrante untimi nsori every one person empia bonti mese obi din keke wo bi abre ye adwuma din ebia pe ne din ebia to na wo de da ba ko pe sima mienu bi pe nu abeka nsem a enim na wo de asem de no nko ade won ma won fa wo ndi kwa ho judge ne de po ma pem wa was it 12 months in prison with hard labor what they are doing so say one koda bedwefie one mrenye adwuma no one tenas no hu sade no ye no emfa kwamu krantentin the punishment a what they ama no na we ebeto dwa ebra ye Reverend Obofour wo ye interview e won station Cash TV horn of Fred Penipa or ye police ni a just na asem no ehye ne sa crime officer and din ede na kweku dua a wo sunyane asem ne ehye ne sa na wono eye emu ehwehwemu no wo friend wo phone so e ma ne kirem sesi ade de asem na wo de betu ebeduafo enim wo de betu kotofo enim e wo yesunyane ne se na akodu enu sesi ade de Prophet Elisha Malope no ya man 12 months imprisonment sentence with hard labor account no wo chechim Obofour na wo ka no osaka say abrante de ntia ye jele na court no this sentence we man say he told the court that he was just lying against Reverend Obofour to gain popularity. He started pleading to the court, but the judge did not listen to him. The judge got angry on why he would tarnish the image of an innocent person. So she sentenced him to 12 months in prison. So we sent him straight to the Sunyani Central Prison. And until say what in the Senate American say na so na police penny our asem no ekra no watchre mu ekre ye Reverend Obofour e wo phone so e bra na wo ye interview e wo on station Cash TV so and until what in the say na no kra na no te si ade de ye Elisha Malope our ye prophet no what that ebedwefie na what that ye Sunyani Central Prison so ho and oko serving a 12-month sentence no with hard labor. Now we and asem we ebeto de na Ghana for eka say dabi say Prophet Elisha in answer tem kra no be mu enunti de honorable Kennedy Japan wonu aka say mu de na no aka ede manase ene ebiem so demon breaker ne nkofo a wodo mo ka wo mabeka ewo TV stations ni radio stations Reverend Obofour we pe de eno hu ya where did any ADH and as a brand telling us, oh, yeah, menti, and not in the edge, as a watching is and because kind of first woman to one tia the enter, and for the donor, I have bigger allegations, 80 Reverend Obofour. I can't say my to see the old man who say any musan, actually, and for still now. What to what I want me and find a lawyer for Encomichi and away a branded day or the buyer. Or shall brand crampa, no finger beat as a category as a fake crown or brand kawasha say, and no, and no, didn't any break. I could see the Sugana first woman say, at day, and a Reverend Obofour man. I was thrown on a week in Japan and no far. They see they was almost and I say, or me and go far or more car and semi fast for and one because the oye day. I say, Elisha Malope on the Onia one did be one is Kebia, one is Janabia Bianti, one the between that court and tem with me and tem. Na honorable in Japan and go for the castle the nurse course. I do a penske bia to I do a pet that say in Shemubi, I can say between my quit honorable in Japan at 2 and sana or their seminal ever with the fear and that's what record quarter will bet me a day a come. If it's look, I say, Reverend Obofour, why, yeah, dear papa, so didn't know so. One quiet to say, a year as of for now, one them why I go bomb to say one bar, but tell my castle, oh, in Peno, Kodani Bidabi, watch the pass or nim dear or one yansa. Na want me enter na say man conform fan nim enya from sakwa wa ya de papa say asem we one ma bonti am be de am church ensem an chega for na otu wan na mo edikoto lawyer for enim emom so mu di nsem no edema no tie say ano we enko enye won e ma Ghana for eye enko for my ma dwen say sisi ade de asofo hu nsem empenifo hu nsem eno meto ma no no maka ne pacha asem enko for ni di te no mo so betimi de nya fame ana nya sike bi ana say favor bi e won enko for enim edu to enye eye won kese because we be to say Reverend Obofour the would was send ban to her. Send our day Elisha Malope no offer one chow or the bay your prime won't say yes. Ghana hayeti emra ewa hapa na emra no so edwumaninti so what na fam na kwan so a ene Ghana for me nya ho asem bia enka because on ka of it or witness and I say or proof and evidence people are say no kware mu atem na work no ne kweto do efa Reverend Obofour and kenye see de no court a wo pa cho kan sem a je say wan ka say abrante ne ye bia original kwa say or yare and say bibi ato no so enu nti Ghana for kan say ya sa na wo mo pa kire na comment bi abetom e o manim ha say making kan bi e da kire etefo ne ahwefo no mo hu say na Ghana for enia edwinfa Reverend Obofour say see abrante Elisha Malope a wama yetimi a sentence no ewo Sunyane Central Prisons on way efi Arnold or saying I am not a Christian, neither do I support any party in this case, but I think Obofour did the right thing for not taking the law into his own hands. All the same, let God be the best judge. Or no, the Osuru who say, one only Christian, when you be a fan, but when he said, Reverend Obofour, they were here and inquired, while born home what they power, yet their parents said, one fat and runner and show the cheap, one fashion in same. I just say, Uncle, ye be a prepare so, and ye be a beman man who a witch. Now, say what the Emrano, I share and running for him. I'm almost much welcome Eddie a year, a seminal Eddie man, because he who say a bimo. They see how more about 70 hours. Afraid of mama life-threatening issues, almost any threatening messages to conform. Maka wasem a bit to be a dumo omo esa and some ayaka from the same Reverend Obofour. One family man and share the same uncle threatening issue. I'm pe kwan obey a brand and if you're not, they got to no for any inquiry. Or one home or the party. Nakupon and will be at him when yeah, what they about say. Crime will continue to increase as long as the rich can buy justice. If not, how will evil Obofour jail people for defamation? Or say, some way they are hand pa, some some name is there. Ghana has said, Bonnie and Casacata, Nipe Diwa has a wait me to a city, and me possible that. Say, you bet me to a son, as a Sika for one more bastard and a senka, and yet one more and a justice, a fellow justice, and can find your mafia because one more no more yet, Bonia can say, Ghana, no more because of Omusika Monty, not be beyond put a new crop as some for I can cry any cranny that almost know near their mom show to say, when go jail to Kenny Pass or because you're Ghana there, everywhere, and your boss of Makua who say, and it's a Reverend Obofour to me, Sika. They are taught justice among Nankasano. I will be any to be any tear, and as will be our sorty be said Reverend Obofour dear. No one some drops and will deep on a power gun. No, it's me to be able to prison there, and yet justice for I have found justice in Dimu away my gun. I have say, Mamma Kai a year Roman dear as well what they need yes or what they about ever has said. Roman dear HSA. That is Ghana for you. If someone starts insulting you and you send him to police station, they will say you are a bad person, but if you fight with person, they will say why didn't you send him to police station? So what type of country are we in for now? May God forgive us all. Say God had ye kaso ye kasa ye pen sema kasa. Wobi nya asem no ku obedwoma adenti na wugun wenu asesa I don't know afana ko police station. What did you go police station so I can asem ha no ye nipa bonini asem kakra we so anka obetimi do anu aka asem o ye fatika ndwem anu ye ane de ka asem ka obetimi do anu aka den na o do wonua e police station so sesi arede ntema ye kofufa e de aba abonte Reverend Obofour e ba abonte e de ye Elisha Malope e ko e mediofie e ma sesi ade oda ho a 12 years 12 months imprisonment no e say Ghana for egunu ni ma say e kan sem money efa no en ke oba ye no ko be ka do penia eto amansa na obi atibi obi adwuadwe bone fa Reverend Obofour en no baboti ameka hwe anya hwe afa wa en ke obi ade be so na say wono enanya ni paponi ni wono e no ye te say odisumasi judge say nsema wa ka fa no nyanke be gia tum say ye no kware en so wa baboti no so be pe atente na ama no ho a adenti Ghana for egu e Reverend Obofour so we so if Stephen yegba or say whether he is a false prophet or not, he is my pastor. I know what is good for me. Ghana, mind your own business. Jealousy and wicked people. Pray for a divine wisdom to handle and care for your members and stop these premature thoughts. May God forgive us. To say, one of them, do or die. Still now, we're Reverend Obofour echi. Do and found will be better and found on all free at as a walker and some one of the GD pass Reverend Obofour or in Papa Edman, the soft for power or ten I see our tin as them. I will know it in your born or so my for anyone of my family. One you be asked about etum a gunner for a nyachuma way and Emma yet to say Reverend Obofour Yamabasanity. So I had to tell man one, then one on my main fire a year commenter in Chato and Trasso. Point Ochidako Edia whatever say thanks, Papa. You did the right thing. Reverend Obofour overtaking is allowed. more grace ono so woni say eya de Reverend Obofour ye no kwan so anu no wa ya de obo no homode pa say Ghana for e kan semeti anu wantena sanye din afa na sesene sengu na tese wa fangu ni triso anye din e wodem na wo pia bonte edi enim kom ranim fo mom ko kana sema no wa ya de pa mama ni video obi a de kakra onyu obi a ho na de wa ye no ne kwan so eno no ebusafo eye comment we bi e na beto mani mu so wo dia wodwen e wo trim eye den fat to ja e wo tuma gh comment section na bia so no share video we e ma adofo ebusafo obi bia obe no so ehun se na asem no sifa echo na mi din edena na ama owusa obetimi afolo tuma gh e wo your Instagram page @tumagh_. Ahana remember me kwa mdijumede ni esi makram.